Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to the first price prediction and price analysis on Arkm on this channel. All right, so most of you know Arkm Intel, which actually their platform is live right now. I used it a little bit. It actually looks amazing. Like now I can actually track certain venture capital funds in what they're buying and selling. So it's not promotion, but it's pretty great. But their token launched yesterday as well on several exchanges, including Binance, of course, with the Binance Launchpad. Now currently at around $100 million in market cap, volume of around 250 million. So I thought, let's make a video on that. I already made 2 videos on what I expected or what I thought from the project and what I expected from the launch. So right now, we're just going to take a look at what's to be expected from here. Now I must say, if you're critical of me right now because we barely have any price action, I agree with you. There's only a limited amount we can say based off of the price action we have seen so far. Because right now we are on the 15-minute time frame and we still barely have anything. So I agree with you. However, I do have extensive knowledge of everything that happened with the other Binance Launchpad projects. And based on that, I think we can actually, I do think we can actually say something at the very least. All right, so that's what we'll do. Now, before we dive into that, and by the way, if you're new, first of all, welcome. But I'm also a full-time profitable trader. If you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comments, and there you can find out a little bit more, but also instructions on how to join. So now onto Arkm. So I actually did have an idea on Arkm earlier. So usually what you see with most of these Binance Launchpad projects is that after launch, they actually rally about 20 to 30%. Then they drop back down, they consolidate and they rally again. And then after that second rally, they either have a very big rally or they'll crash back down. Kind of depends on the market circumstances as well. But now we are still in that initial phase where we just launched, like not even 24 hours ago. So the big thing, I think, is if you take a look at the price, one of the most secure levels we can identify is the level right here, around 71 cents. I think that's the main area. Perhaps it's a little bit bigger. So perhaps it's the area right here. Right, so that's between the 236 fib and the 382 fib. Right here, let's say around 70 cents. This is, I think, the main level to look out for. So what you're seeing right now is that we have actually broken above that on the 15-minute time frame. So is that really a breakout? We can argue about that. I would say not really, but still, when you have such little price action, it does matter. So right now, the main thing we have to look out for is that we're currently dropping down towards those levels. Like we will find support at the 236 and the 382 fib. But from that support, what we would need to do is we would need to break above 72 cents. All right, so we need to get quite a lot of bullish momentum. If we can do that, then we can get all the way up to, I don't think 75 cents. I think we'll go higher than 75 cents. I think we'll go up to 80 cents. So yes, that's quite a big rally from here. That's like 15% already. But the big thing is, like I said, it's all very conditional because it's based on how we react to that 70 cents area. So that's, to be precise, it's between 69.5 cents and 70.5 cents, all right? So we'll drop down to there, we'll find support, but that support should bring us above 72 cents. If we can do that, then we'll rally up to 75 cents and then I think also 80 cents, even though that's perhaps a little bit of a difficult rally to get. If, however, we cannot do that, if we cannot break above 75 cents or 72 cents and we'll drop down below that level after finding support, then it's more likely we'll drop down to 65 and 63 cents again, find support there and kind of consolidate already. So we'll have to wait for that. If right now you're saying, all right, so you're saying we are going to go up or down, then you didn't understand the analysis. We're going to go up or down depending on what support we get off of this level. So you can actually anticipate that and make some good trades off of that. But yeah, that's my full take on Arkm for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, have a great day, and bye.